Hi everyone, it's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So ever since I was a little girl, I've been doing my own nails. I think I've been to the nail salon about 3 to 4 times in my entire life. So today I want to show you guys 3 easy nail DIYs. We'll be doing little clouds, sunflowers, and butterflies. So perfect for spring and summer. Most of the materials to do these nails are probably stuff you already have in your bathroom. And for the butterfly nail DIY, I'll link down below the decals I got off of Amazon. And they're actually tattoos, which are really cool. Especially right now where a lot of us can't go to the nail salon, it's super fun and easy to be able to do it on your own at home. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Let's get started. You'll need a plate to hold the nail polish, some Q-tips, some bobby pins, and some butterfly decals, which I'll link down below. These are the nail polishes that I'll be using, but feel free to use any blue or white nail polish that you like. I'm going to start off with a base coat all over my nails. Next, I'm going to put on 1 coat of blue nail polish. I love Hansen Insta Dry because I can do my nails and they dry super quickly and I can go about my day without it getting smudged or ruined. I'm only going to do 1 layer of the blue nail polish since the second layer will be the design. To start designing the clouds, I'll put a little bit of white nail polish on the plate and use a Q-tip to start dabbing it lightly on my nail. Because of the texture of the Q-tip, it'll give it the look of a cloud. I'll put 1 or 2 clouds on each nail, mostly at the top and the bottom. Don't worry if it's not perfect, since each cloud is unique. I'm going to add some pink accents to the cloud, so I'll be using Glossier's pink nail polish. I'll be using a new Q-tip, and I'll be putting accents onto the bottom of the clouds. And then I'll finish off with a top coat. And our cloud nails are done. For our flower nails, these are the nail polishes I'll be using. And I do love Essie Couture polishes because it gives my nails that jelly-like appearance. After the base coat, I'll be adding the Essie nail polish. And I'll be linking all the nail polishes down below. I decided to put 2 coats on for these nails. Now we'll get out our bobby pin, which we'll use for the flowers. We'll open it up and use both ends as a dotting tool. I'll be putting a little bit of the yellow nail polish onto the plate. We'll take 1 end of the bobby pin and put that into the yellow nail polish and grab just a little bit, and then we'll dot that onto the nail. The dots will be our petals, and I'll be putting on 5 petals per flower. Feel free to put on as many flowers as you like per nail, but I feel that 2 fit well. create the middle of the flower. So we'll use the other side of the bobby pin and a little bit of white nail polish and simply put a dot right in the middle. And our flower nails are complete. For our final nail DIY, I'll be starting off with a glossy pink nail polish over our base coat. And I put 2 coats of pink nail polish for this DIY. Next, I'll be adding our butterfly nail tattoos. So I'll be cutting off the ones that I want, and then I'll peel off the clear film on top with a tweezer. Then I'll put the butterfly tattoo into some water and let it soak for about 20 seconds. Then you can peel it off the paper and gently place it on your nail, and it'll stick immediately. And we'll do this for the remaining butterfly tattoos. It's a little tricky at first, but after a while, you'll be able to place the butterflies on your nails easily. And our butterfly nails are done. Alright guys, so those were my 3 nail DIYs. Like I said before, all you really needed were stuff that you already had in your bathroom, Q-tips, bobby pins, and with the butterfly nails, you can buy all these different decals and nail tattoos and have so much fun and be creative with your nails. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!